guys, happy new year and welcome to my messy apartment. Okay, honestly, it's not even that messy, but the thing is, it's a new year, it's a new me, and I just want to start this year fresh. We're just having a super clean, super organized apartment. It's the one thing I want to do for my sanity. It just makes me so happy to like have a clean, organized space to start the year. It makes it feel like I have a blank slate going on. And even though you're probably seen a few of these cleaning videos from me before, you know I like to clean, I like to organize. There are still a lot of things that we've been putting off doing that we need to do in this video. I need to take down all the Christmas decorations because we haven't done that yet and it's now 2024. I need to clean the carpets in the flat with like a carpet cleaner. I'm not looking forward to that part. And I also need to clean the sofa and like the other textiles we have around. I need to clean my fridge. I need to organize our entryway. I need to clean my kitchen, my bathroom. We have a lot of stuff to get done today. So without further ado, let's get started and clean and organize my entire apartment. We're gonna start out with the bed and washing the sheets because first of all, these are Christmas sheets. I need to get them dried and then put away. But also washing sheets is a really good way to time yourself and like almost create like an internal competition of how much you can get done in the time it takes for your washing machine to dry and wash your sheets. So let's do that. Without making a complete mess everywhere. Every time I touch this plant, it goes everywhere. So this is gonna be a disaster. I already know. All of this to save for next year because we're just going to replicate this for next year's like Christmas decoration as well. However, these I have to throw away because the oranges, even though they're dried, will eventually go bad. To go on top of this since it's like almost a protective material because it's so fluffy. So we'll put a few of these on there. And of course we cannot forget the Christmas tree. This also needs to go down today. I'm going to move all the ornaments into this box as well. Just me and my Christmas tree. Christmas decorations have all been taken down, but the flat still looks very messy. So my next plan is that we're going to be working room by room to basically clean the entire flat. And since our flat is a maisonette, so it has multiple layers, I feel like it makes more sense to work our way from the bottom. So we're gonna start with the hallway where you enter, and then we're gonna work our way up through the kitchen, the living room, bathroom, bedroom. Yeah, let's begin. Going downstairs. I don't think you guys have actually ever seen this room before, but this is our like mini hallway. I actually organized it not too long ago, so it doesn't look that bad, but it still needs to be cleaned out. There's tons of like mud on the ground from when people entered during the holiday season. So yeah, it needs to be given like a quick clean over and maybe a little bit of organizing. I have some shoes upstairs that need to be organized downstairs. Like the wardrobe doesn't look that bad. It just needs a little reshuffling and reorganizing. This space is so small. It's really hard to do like a good job filming it, but I hope you like this from above kind of angle. My plan for cleaning the kitchen is essentially just to remove literally everything from all the countertops and just have a wipe on the tiles, the countertops, and also the cabinets, because they're looking a little, you know when like cabinets get like smudge marks? Like this kind of stuff, can you see it? I think it comes because when we're cooking and like water vapor is coming up, it like does this weird thing to the cabinets, but also when we're touching it, you know, over time with water vapor or dirty hands. But yeah, I feel like everything else in general is quite nicely organized. I mean, it's not perfect, but with a little quick clean, I think it's gonna look quite good. Yeah, it's nice. This as well, like, yeah, there's a bit of like mess down there, but it's gonna be super quick to just clean up. Is the living room. Again, not super messy, but we did celebrate New Year's here and there was a few drinks spilled. So I rented a like carpet cleaner, fabric cleaner for tomorrow. So today the plan for the living room is just to clean everything off, like clean the table, clean the coffee table, prep everything for tomorrow when I'm cleaning all the textiles. Fascinating how dusty some of these items get, like around my flat. I clean this regularly. How does it get that dusty, you know? Like it's just completely full of dust to the point where like I have to wipe a layer of dust off of everything. Living in London, I guess. Like look at this. Ew. By the way, yes, I know this part of my room is really weird. It's pretty much just an empty space waiting to be decorated or done something with. So, fun fact, the next video on my channel is actually going to be making over my bedroom. Because yes, this area is not just annoying you, it's annoying me as well. So it's time to deal with that. Getting a bit late and honestly I'm exhausted. This is taking me all day, a lot longer than I initially thought. So I'm gonna postpone the bathroom cleaning to tomorrow because I just don't have the energy. But what we can do today instead is deal with the closet. Although it is, in my opinion, looking good, there is a bit of stuff here that I've just kind of put aside because it needs to be either fixed or taken to the dry cleaners or donated. I'm gonna create some piles on my bed and then we'll finish the day today by dropping off the things that need to be donated and dry cleaned and fixed. Needs fixing, needs dry cleaning. Oh my god, jungle spray. I didn't know I still had this. I'm gonna bring this to Mexico, this is genius. I found some more pieces that need to be fixed because this one I tore when I was walking, so. And then this one, like the little hoops kind of tore apart, like the elastic bands. I think there's a lot of stuff here, so I'm going to again separate it into 2 piles. Donate, donate, sell, sell, donate, donate, and sell. Okay. I'm gonna take this to my nearest Oxfam, and then I'm gonna take all of this to my nearest dry cleaner. It's so strange because this literally took me no time to do, but whenever I look in my closet and I have something that needs to be fixed, I just leave it for 3 months. This was so easy, so quick. It's all bagged up, ready to go. I'm gonna go out with the bags now, and then I'll see you tomorrow. Hello? Good morning, you guys. It's a new day, and guess what I got? I can't even hold this. Is my carpet cleaner. I'm honestly so excited about this. I rented it for £20, which is honestly such a good deal, I think. Like, these go for quite a bit of money. And I don't know how it works, so we're going to try to figure that out together, but I'm so excited. I hope the girl that gave me this sent the instructions with the package. Oh my god. Slide the wash tool onto the hose until it clicks into place. Oh my god. Okay, I guess. Press on off switch to turn the machine on. Next, we're doing the stairs, which I'm definitely the bit scared of because I don't know when these stairs was clean last. I doubt they were clean before you move in, to be honest. They didn't look clean. So they might have not been cleaned for like 6 years, which is great. I'm just gonna go through with my vacuum first to just get all the dust off so I don't like collect that into the carpet cleaner, and then we'll see what happens. I don't know if it's smarter to work my way up and then down or the other way around. Let's just do a test swab here and see if this actually works before. Back from Primark, and I got a couple of things to organize the bathroom, as well as some things just to kind of bring it to life again. I feel like it's the one room in the flat where you don't put a lot of effort, even though I made it over like a couple of months ago. Here is the current status of the room. Not perfect, but not horrible. These shelves are part of what I really want to organize. Like, it looks okay, but I could definitely be using the space better here and also here. Just changed because now I'm gonna wash the shower. I'm bringing out my favorite cleaning products. This is the pink stuff. And you basically just dip it in like this and you scrub everything down, and it's so satisfying. Guys, we're done. It honestly feels so good to have removed all the Christmas decorations and literally just wiped down the entire flat. Like, it feels like a little bit of a fresh start for January for 2024. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know if you've done your New Year's clean yet or not, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.